Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pluto TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Pluto TV, start by opening the Pluto TV app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the appropriate app store for your device. Once the app is open, look for the sign in option on the main screen. Select sign in to proceed. Now, you will see an option to enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, go to Pluto TV's website to create one. Fill in your email and password to sign in. After signing in, you may receive an activation code on your screen. Take note of this code as you will need it for the next steps. Next, open a web browser on any device, such as a computer or smartphone. Visit the activation page at pluto.tv/activate. Enter the activation code from the Pluto TV app into the text box. Select the Activate button to complete the process. Once activated, return to the Pluto TV app on your device. You should now have access to all the features and content offered by Pluto TV. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your code was entered correctly. If problems persist, consider restarting your app or device before trying again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.